How to patch a bicycle inner tube. When it comes to repairing a bike tire tube, the most commonly used adhesive is rubber cement. Rubber cement is a flexible adhesive that creates a strong bond between the tire tube and the patch. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use rubber cement to repair a bike tire tube. Deflate the tire completely and remove the tube from the tire. Locate the puncture or damaged area on the tube. You can inflate the tube slightly to help identify the hole by listening for any hissing sounds or feeling for escaping air. Roughen the area around the puncture using sandpaper or an emery cloth. This will help the adhesive adhere better to the tube. Apply a thin layer of rubber cement to the roughened area on the tube. Use a brush or a small applicator that usually comes with the rubber cement. Allow the rubber cement to dry for a few minutes until it becomes tacky. The drying time may vary depending on the specific brand of rubber cement you are using, so refer to the instructions on the packaging. Once the rubber cement is tacky, apply a patch over the puncture. Press firmly on the patch, starting from the center and working your way outward to ensure proper adhesion. Smooth out any air bubbles or wrinkles on the patch by applying pressure and rubbing the patch firmly against the tube. Let the repaired tube sit for a few minutes to ensure a strong bond between the patch and the tube. Reinstall the tube partially and check for any air leaks by submerging it in water or using your hand to feel for escaping air. If you detect any leaks, repeat the patching process. Once the patch has securely bonded and there are no air leaks, reinstall the tube into the tire and inflate it to the recommended pressure. Remember, rubber cement is specifically designed for repairing bike tire tubes and provides good adhesion. However, if you're uncertain or prefer an alternative, you can consult with a local bike shop or refer to the manufacturer's instructions for the recommended adhesive for your specific tire tube.